Welcome to Residence Inn by Marriott Birmingham Hoover, where comfort and convenience meet in the heart of Alabama. If you're planning your stay, don't forget to check the description below or scan the QR code on screen for easy booking details. Nestled in the vibrant city of Birmingham, this hotel offers a warm and welcoming retreat for travelers of all kinds. With check-in starting at 4 p.m. and a relaxed checkout until 11 a.m., you can settle in at your own pace. Families will especially appreciate that children aged 1 to 17 stay free, making it an ideal choice for those traveling with little ones. Each spacious suite is designed to feel like a home away from home, complete with modern amenities and a cozy atmosphere. The hotel's thoughtful features ensure a hassle-free stay. You'll find on-site safety deposit boxes for securing valuables and a well-stocked convenience store for any last-minute essentials. Start your mornings right with a delicious breakfast, included with your stay. Whether you're here for business, leisure, or a little of both, Residence in Birmingham Hoover provides the perfect base for exploring all that the area has to offer. Ready to book your stay? Just scan the QR code on your screen or check the description below for more details. Thank you for considering Residence Inn by Marriott Birmingham Hoover. We look forward to welcoming you soon.